Yo, Jay here. Welcome to my channel, and today in our Photoshop Gem series tutorials, we'll be looking at how you can split a layer into its contents individual layers. If you're new to my channel, the Photoshop Gem series talks about scripts. You might have heard about actions, plugins for Photoshop that actually improves your workflow, but scripts is also another component that can actually help you. Do consider subscribing and hitting the notification button so that you'll be updated whenever and wherever I'll be uploading new tutorials. So after you have downloaded your script, you'll be dragging the file and dropping it into the scripts folder of your Photoshop directory. You can copy the address location from the description below. So after you have copied the address location, you'll be pasting it over here and hit enter. So now you'll be dropping the file into this folder. I've already done mine, so I'll be skipping this file. Let's head into Photoshop. Over here, I'll quickly create several circles and show you what the script is all about. So as you can see, there is 6 circles on the canvas. But if you were to run the script now, it will throw you an error. It's because there is no transparency or gaps in between the circle. It needs transparency as a calculation to separate it into its own individual layers. So if you head over to File, Script, and Split to Layers, it will throw you an error. So if I create a new layer and I create the circles once again, so now if I run the script on this layer, as you can see, split when gap is larger than the number of pixels, so there has to be transparency in between the objects. So now if you run the script, it will split individual circles onto its own layers. And that's what split the layer script does. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I greatly appreciate if you can subscribe and hit the notification button, because your support for a new channel like me will encourage me to do more tutorials and better videos. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you again next time. Into its contents individual layer. Split a layer into